Morning, ladies and gentlemen. About to install this Easy Lip thing I just bought off Amazon. I believe it was like $30 or something like that, but just want to do a quick video, show y'all how the install works and everything, and if it looks good, I'll let y'all determine that in the comment section, so stay tuned. Well, this is the final results. pretty clean. I think I like it. I will say the most difficult part was just trying to get around that contour of this front bumper right here. It kind of looks like it's kind of sticking up a little bit. If it could stay like this, it'd be perfect, but it's just a rubber spoiler anyway. It's just for appearance, not really gonna improve on performance or anything, but I think it looks beautiful. I can dig it. Try to get that cut as clean as possible on there. I can dig it. What y'all think? So overall, I think it's a pretty good look. I love it, man. We'll do a review later on. Let's say about 2-3 months later on, see if it stays on there. But yeah, I like it. I'd highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, we got more mods on the way. Y'all stay tuned. This is the 5.7 Yeti coming at you loud and clear.